Do you know Hotspot Internet Access Wireless Technologies? Here's a quick tour about Hotspot Wi-Fi or Hotspot Wireless product from Asante. Hotspot Internet is widely adopted in hotspot area like airport, hotel, cafe. Asante simply extends this concept into home or business with engineers enhancements into a very small appliance. With this small appliance, you can use internet in a very easy and friendly way. Just connect it and log in with username and password. Let me show you how it works. First thing, you need to have a broadband modem, either cable or DSL from your local service provider. And you need a Asante Hotspot router and a computer. Let's connect an Ethernet cable from the modem to a router's internet port, which is yellow jack, and make sure the power is on and LED from the routers are on as well. Okay, let's just switch to the computer. Let me bring up the wireless connection from your computer, and I see Asante Smart Hub router is on. I simply connect it. Okay, it is connected. If you are using the Windows 7, please note the wireless connection manager will ask you if you want to set up router or not. You don't need to use the Microsoft Windows 7 setup procedure. You simply click below link, connect to the network without setting it up, and Windows 7 will connect to Asante Hotspot router right away. After connecting to the router, let's bring up a browser to serve internet. The hotspot router will automatically redirect the first login page to you. You are the default administrator and simply enter the password and go. If you like to change your username, you can do it later. After login, let's click the Easy Setup to continue. First step is to create users. You can create many users and give a unique username and password to each. So I add John Smith here as the first user. John will need his username and password to get on net at his first time. It is a hotspot router methodology to control users. Very simple to remember and manage. Secondly, you can create non-computer users like Wii, PS game, or other device. Let us add a John's Wii device on. Enter the name of the device and the physical wireless address from Wii console. Every device needs to connect internet must have a unique physical address. It is called MAC address. If you cannot find it, please contact your vendor. Remember to save it. Okay, done. Let's move to the next step. Second step, Asante Hotspot router will intelligently check the availability of your internet service provider. 95% of the service provider would automatically assign an internet address to your router while you're first time connected. I got a Comcast cable modem here, and it is connected and it works. So click next. The last step, now we are in the wireless setup. You can change the name of wireless router if you like, but you don't have to, or you can change later. So I click next. Here is a Wi-Fi security setup. You can choose none or leave it as it is, and using Asante Hotspot username password to control users. Of course, if you prefer to have another layer of security control on Wi-Fi, you may still select below encryption options. But remember to set your computer or any device to the same security code you just set. Here I select none and click next. Great, we're done, and you are ready to use internet. Again, it is very easy and friendly. No need for any CD-ROM, USB, or special software. Just use a browser and connect and go. Let's see how John gets on the net. First, he connects to the hotspot router. After connected, John brings up a browser to surf the net. The router will bring you a login page automatically at the first time instead of letting him get into the net. So you just type in username, password, and get in. Very simple. Router will remember you until you leave it alone for more than 3 days. Otherwise, he won't ask you name and password again. As simple as connect and enter password. No any other hassle. Thank you.